people are right now traumatized. I can tell you it's going to be a long and costly recovery.
Now at 5, facing their loss, some Maui wildfire survivors now allowed back into parts of Lahaina. What they found is hard to bear. Good evening, everyone. This is KCAL News at 5 on CBS Los Angeles. I'm Pat Harvey.
Thank you so much for joining us tonight. I'm Jeff Vaughn. Well, the death toll is now 110. The main road into the demolished historic town of Lahaina is once again open. President
Biden and the First Lady will travel to Maui on Monday to visit victims and first responders. KCAL News reporter Jeff Nguyen has been in Maui all week. He's there live right now with the very latest for us. Jeff?
Pat and Jeff, we are about 15 miles outside of Lahaina because communication there is still very spotty. Right behind us is a checkpoint that is being operated by the Hawaii National Guard. Now, traffic here is flowing nicely, but as people are allowed to go inside, there are some restrictions. Drive through fire-ravaged Lahaina and you will find devastation stretching for miles, while residents are taking stock in their losses a week after wildfires ripped through.
Not just me, lost everything, everybody. Everything's gone.
Many of them returned home for the first time Wednesday after officials reopened the main highway into town. Residents have been critical. Maui's warning sirens never sounded.
Thank God I have my husband and I still survive.
As the death toll rises, new video has emerged showing the ferocity of the wind-driven flames.
Behind, Uncle.
FEMA teams continue to scour what's now hallowed ground to help bring families closure.
Everyone wants us to repair this wound, but it's going to take time.
On Tuesday, volunteers from the grassroots organization Hungry Heroes Hawaii loaded water, milk, and food onto trucks.
We came over here last few days, established connections with all of the restaurants and the food trucks that were already cooking food for people for free.
Chef David and his wife Linda of Poppy's Ohana says it's the aloha spirit bringing everyone together.
There is hope. It doesn't end here. This is just our Friday. We're waiting for our Sunday morning.
Even as flames are extinguished, residents may not be able to return home right away. As officials warn, in some areas, dangerous toxic chemicals still loom in the air. And once inside Lahaina, people are not allowed into the search zones because there is still a lot of ground to clear, and travel will be restricted between 10 p.m. and 6 a.m. Pat, Jeff?
Well, Jeff, when you were able to get into Lahaina today, what kind of concerns did people have when you spoke with them?
I think right now, Pat and Jeff, the main concern is the stormy weather that's in the forecast later on this week because of all of the toxins that are in that area. You know, as we were making our way through there, we spoke to a number of people and they were wearing their masks because they are concerned about the air quality. So you've got the air quality in the air, you've got what's on the ground, and then if rain were to fall, you know, some of those toxins may get into the water supply, so people are very worried about that. On top of that, anything that gets into the ground might wash into the sea, and, you know, the beaches and the oceans here, they're not just for you know, enjoyment and recreation. You know, it's a way of life for people, and people are very concerned about the balance of the ecosystem. And on top of that, there are people who are 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th generation Hawaiians, and they are concerned that what the future will hold. So they want development or rebuild, but they don't want it to move so fast. They don't want any, you know, they don't want restrictions to be lifted. They actually want environmental impact studies done because they don't want developers to move in and just basically push the locals out of here. The governor has said that he is taking steps to make sure that the land will be preserved for locals. Pat, Jeff.
A lot to consider tonight, Jeff. Thank you so much.
And as Jeff mentioned, people are only allowed back into Lahaina